What is up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Today I'm out here at the Expona 2023 Hi-Fi show, and we are in the Perlisten booth. You guys may or may not have heard through the grapevine, but we are officially launching Perlisten as a manufacturer that we do represent nationwide. And today I'm going to be bringing on some of the founders from Perlisten to discuss what makes this brand so special and what everybody's talking about. Let's get into it.
Hi, thanks for having me, and I'm Lars Johansen. I'm one of the partners at Perlisten. My official role is sales, so I do sales marketing on a global scale, based out of Denmark, where we also have operation and marketing team sitting. So, welcome to the world of Perlisten. It's one of my standard phrases, but it's a nice phrase. We are 3 years into our journey, and it has been a crazy journey. When we began the global marketing of Perlisten, the question from everybody was, why on earth another speaker brand? There's 300 brands out there, maybe 4, maybe 5, but why 301? And I kind of said, you know, if you have something to talk about, if you have a story, if you have a background, if you have technology, and if you have the right team, then you can do something. And I think one of the most important thing is we actually put we call it our dream team. So we have 5 guys with a long history, maybe 150 years of history in the industry, and we just wanted to do this. And then we started, we had some things we wanted to do. We built our foundation around THX. So we were one of the first in the world. We were the first in the world to kind of break the big barrier of the THX Dominus certification. And proudly, all of our products are THX certified. Part of our strength is definitely our engineering team. I'm surrounded with phenomenal engineers, and it's making my life very easy. So it's just a very, very good foundation for a very strong brand. And when I talk to industry people, even here today at Expona Chicago, a lot of people have already complimented us that they have never seen a brand travel this fast so quickly. So I think we are onto something right. The team behind Perlisten started maybe back in 15, maybe 2016, and there has been a lot of research done up in Verona, Wisconsin. The 2 guys, Dan and Eric, Steven in LA doing our amplifier designs, they have worked on that for 5-6 years. I came into the picture 2020. I left another company, joined the team, and we went to market in 2021. But some of the real things which they have been working on is the driver technology we are using. In our S series, which we are sitting in here, this is the S7 room, S7, 7 drivers. The woofer material is a Textream. It's a carbon fiber coming from Sweden. They make it for us to our specification. We build the drivers at our own factory. We have our DPC array, which is the centerpiece of all our speakers. So whenever you see a Perlisten speaker, it will always carry the DPC array, directivity pattern control, which is a tweeter in the centrum, flanked by 2 mid-ranges. And that is part of our patent pending design, and it's the core of all Perlisten speakers. Part of our product offering is that we also come to market with not only just one speaker. So S series consists of 5 to 6 different models. Our step down series, which is the R series, which actually looks like what we're seeing here, but with different technology incorporated. On top of that, we have a range of subwoofers, and our top model which is a double 15-inch push-pull subwoofer. Also the first one in the world to be THX Dominus certified. Is doing phenomenal work for us, especially also now when we are seeing more and more higher-end home theater. The subwoofers has really proven to be a strong asset. And we have already 6 models, 2 in the R series and 4 different models in the D series subwoofers. We have push-pull, double dual drivers, and we have single driver subwoofers.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on my introduction of Perlisten. We are thrilled to offer this product to you guys and would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you would like to learn more about Perlisten, reach out today and schedule a free consultation with one of my specialists. You can also head over to our website at shopdreamedia.com. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.